We are looking at the potential for a high-impact winter storm.
You want to put your ruler down a couple spots into the board to get a really good accurate measurement. The last time we saw 1 inch of snow accumulate on the coast was back in '96.
We have actually positioned ourselves to see the full supermoon rising pretty much right over Highway 90. And let's go ahead, if we can take up our shot. The weather is perfect tonight for the supermoon viewing. No clouds in the sky, low humidity. It is beautiful this evening. Tonight, the International Space Station flies over South Mississippi. Look towards the northwest horizon around 7:08. It will be directly overhead by around 7:11.
It really sounds like this is something you want to see, but the question is, will we actually be able to see it?
Well, you know, it starts here in South Mississippi just before 11 o'clock and it reaches totality just before 2 a.m. Nice dark temperatures in the 60s as we work our way towards lunchtime. Temperatures climbing into the mid 80s. If you want to go kayaking at the Diamond Head Marina from 8 to 2, looks like the weather is going to be perfect for that. Low humidity, temperatures in the 80s. Tomorrow could be wetter across South Mississippi with more of that tropical moisture working its way into the region.
Right behind me, you can see a dramatic shelf cloud that is now beginning to move into Biloxi.
This frontal boundary will be the focal point for some heavy rain, and the contrast between the high and low pressure will create some windy conditions. This wind, it's going to stick around through at least Sunday and perhaps into beginning of next week. We're going to stay even windier out over the water.
That downpour that is pretty much right on top of Long Beach, it's moving on in. If we pan the camera that way, if you can see really how strong these winds are and the downpour that we are seeing here.
We're already seeing these thick, dark clouds across South Mississippi right now.
Yeah, you know, the first piece of this storm system is actually beginning to impact the region. There's already a tornado watch. Storm track on this individual storm now coming out of Cedar Lake, heading up towards LaRue and Ramsey Springs. Watching this one very closely as that one could produce some hail, and we're going to watch that one for any rotation. We do have severe thunderstorm warnings now in effect for Hancock County and extreme western Harrison County, and that goes until 6:15. It's just very interesting to finally see it all come together. Did you ever think you would ever be covering a snowstorm like this here in South Mississippi?
Absolutely not.